Understanding the metro system, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an important aspect of city life, the metro system. Understanding this term not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you navigate cities around the world. So, let's dive in. A metro system refers to an urban, subway or underground railway system used for mass transportation. Found in large cities, it's known for its efficiency and ability to move large numbers of people quickly. The term metro comes from the word metropolitan, indicating its vital role in metropolitan areas. Metro systems are characterized by their underground tunnels, elevated tracks, or a combination of both. They typically operate on a schedule and have multiple lines intersecting across the city. Key features include stations, places where passengers board and alight, trains, designed for rapid transit, tickets or cards, for access to the services. Understanding the metro system is crucial for navigating cities, especially for tourists or new residents. Environmental benefits: reduces traffic congestion and pollution. Cultural significance: reflects the city's infrastructure and lifestyle. Many major cities have their unique metro systems, like the London Underground, also known as the Tube, the New York City Subway, famous for its extensive network, the Paris Metro, known for its iconic Art Nouveau style. Thank you for joining us in exploring the metro system. This knowledge is not just a vocabulary expansion but also a window into understanding the dynamics of city life. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey and maybe even in your travels. See you in our next video.